Hello friends, myself Dr. Surekha Jaiswal. Today we are going to discuss non-conventional energy sources, solar energy. The demand of energy is increasing by leaps and bounds due to rapid industrialization and population growth, and hence the conventional sources of energy will not be sufficient to meet the growing demands. Conventional sources are non renewable and are bound to finish off one day. Conventional sources like fossil fuels, nuclear, also causes pollution, thereby their use degrades the environment. Due to these reasons, it has become important to explore and develop non conventional resources. However, the present trends of development of non conventional sources indicates that these will serve as supplement rather than substitute for conventional sources for some more time to come. Non conventional sources are available in nature free of cost. They produce no or very little pollution. They are environmental friendly. The proper use of non conventional energy sources is necessary to have energy crisis in the future. Non conventional energy are nuclear energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, and solar energy, etc. These are also called renewable sources of energy. Now, the sun radiates energy uniformly in all directions in the form of electromagnetic waves. The sun provides the energy needed to sunset line in our solar system. It is a clean, inexhaustible, abundantly, and universally available source of renewable energy. The major drawback of solar energy are that it is a dilute form of energy which is available intermittently and uncertainly and not steadily and continuously. However, it is more predictable than wind energy. Also, peak solar insolation, incident solar radiation often coincide with peak daytime demand. It can be well matched to suit commercial power needs. Solar energy is the energy obtained by capturing heat and light from the sun. About 47% of solar energy which reaches the surface of the earth. The sun is the source of all energy. Now see how solar energy is used. We can use solar energy by converting it to electrical energy. So we must use a device called solar panels which can convert the light into energy into electrical energy. Solar panel is a group of solar cells. Solar cells works on the principle of photovoltaic electric effect. Photoelectric effect: when a light of certain frequency falls on the surface of a metal, electrons will absorb the energy. If incident light energy is greater than the work function, minimum energy required to remove the loosely bound valence electrons of the metal, then the photoelectrons will be emitted and the excess energy is converted to the kinetic energy of electron. Now see working of solar cell. Sun is the main source of light energy. In 1905, Albert Einstein understood that this effect can be explained by assuming that The light consists of well-defined energy quanta called photons. The energy of such a photon is given by E equal to s nu, where h is Planck constant and mu is the frequency of the light. For his explanation and equation of the photoelectric effect, Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. When solar panels are placed in the sunlight, photons will strike the surface and emits electron. As a result, electron-hole pair is created in the solar cell. When external circuit is connected to the solar cell, electrons flow in the circuit and the current is generated. Now see uses of solar energy. First, that is heaters, cars, lights, satellites, dryers, calculators, commercial use on an office building, roof areas can be covered with solar panels. Remote buildings such as school, communities can make use of solar energy. In developing countries, these solar panels are very much useful. Even on the highway, for every 5 kilometers, solar telephones are used. Now see, solar heater, solar light, drying agriculture products. Why solar energy is environment friendly? Resources, if well maintained, are infinite and will not extend regardless of the amount of consumption. Climate friendly, profitable investment, no toxic gas production. Every area has access to sunlight even if not regularly, and also no voice pollution. Thank you.